Let's learn how Buddhist monks observe the 3-month Vassa retreat. Buddhist monks begin their Vassa, or rainy season retreat, by gathering at a monastery in a spirit of harmony. They first perform a ceremony of mutual forgiveness, symbolizing unity and cleansing of past misunderstandings. They then pay homage to the Buddha, offering wazo flowers and chant protective Preta verses. After these rituals, they formally declare their intention to observe the retreat according to the Vinaya, the monastic code of discipline. This ancient tradition is not only a powerful spiritual practice for monks striving to break free from the cycle of rebirth, but it also inspires lay people to reflect, practice generosity, and deepen their own Dhamma journey. This is a kind of promise that they've made that they will stay for the rain retreat. In the Vazu rainy season, there's a custom that monks in monasteries will do a lucky draw and receive at least one set of pair of a robe. I am So Angel. Thank you for watching.